Hello student, welcome to our electrical YouTube channel and our subject is electrical materials and wiring practice. Previous video we are seeing fibrous insulating material, then we see the classification of ceramic. In this video we are see mica, micanite, glass and rubbers. So start our topic. Our next insulating material is a mica. About 80% of total work requirement of mica for electrical industry is furnished by the India. It is found in part of Meerut district of Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. Next, we see the property of mica. It is inorganic mineral material. It is one of the best natural insulating material available. Next, we see the types of mica. Mica has basically two types. First type is muscovite mica and second type is a phlogopite mica. We see one by one. First we see muscovite mica. It is found in India, Brazil, United States of America. Next, we see the property of muscovite mica. They are strong, tough, and less flexible. Direct strength of muscovite mica is 40 to 150 volt per mm. Dielectric constant is 6 to 7. Maribond 6 to 7. It is, that means muscovite mica is colorless, yellow, silver or green in color. Its insulating properties are better than phlogopite mica. It is non-hygroscopic, that means it absorbs less water. It is not affected by alkalis, acid and any chemicals. Its operating temperature is 500 to 600 degrees Celsius. We see the application of muscovite mica. It is used as insulation in radio tubes, aeroplane, spark plug. It has high dielectric strength, so used in capacitor as a dielectric medium. It is used in commutator segment insulation. Thick mica tapes is used for taping armature and field coil of traction motor for taping the stator coil of high voltage alternators. Our next types of, next we see the phlogopite mica. It is found in USA, India, Canada and Malaysia. It is also called magnesium mica. Next we see the property of phlogopite mica. It is umber, yellow, green or grey in color. It is present in different color. Its dielectric strength is 60 kV per mm. It is more resistant to alkalis than acid. Insulating properties are poor than the muscovite mica. It has greater thermal stability. Its operating temperature is 1000 to 1200 degrees Celsius, that is almost double to muscovite mica. Next, we see the application of phlogopite mica. It is used where greater need of thermal stability is required. It is basically used in domestic appliances like iron, hot plate, toaster, etc. Mica is used as insulation between heating element and base plate of electric iron. Our next insulating material is micanites. The sheet made of mica glues with shellac are known as micanites. They are also called built-up mica and are in form of large sheets and long tapes. Next, we see the property of micanites. In the micanites with mica, paper or cloth is also glued on one side or both sides of sheet or tape for increasing tensile strength of micanite. Silicon bonded micanites can be stand with temperature up to 200 degrees Celsius for prolonged period. Dielectric strength is 30 kV per mm. Next, we see the application of micanite. Micanite are used as insulation in motor and generator. Commutator micanite is made from phlogopite mica and used between the copper segment in DC machine commutators. Our next insulating material is glass. It is thermoplastic inorganic material. It is obtained by fusion of different sides and cooling them so that they remains in amorphous state. Different raw material are used for glass is first material are chalk, soda, potash, boric acid, sand, kaolin, feldspar, etc. Next, we see the properties of glass. Glasses are transparent, brittle, and hard. They have low dielectric losses, high dielectric strength 25 to 50 kV/mm. Relative permittivity is 3.8. Good mechanical strength. Their resistivity is 10 raised to 6 to 10 raised to 15 ohm meter. We see the types of glass. First type is quartz or silica glass. Second, it is used for line insulator, bushing. Our next type of glass is borosilicate glass, or it's called as a Pyrex, used in industry as piping, wedge glasses, laboratory wear. For domestic, it also used for domestic purposes. Third type of glass is fiberglass. It is used for making glass tapes, insulation of winding in high working temperature, insulation of enamel wire. Fourth type of glass is epoxy glass, used in PCB making, terminal holder, instrument case. Our next insulating material is a rubber. First, we see the classification of rubber. First class is a natural rubber. Second class is a hard rubber. Third class is a synthetic rubber. First, we see the natural rubber. It is obtained from botanical origin and is obtained from the pulp of plant. It becomes soft on heating. Sticky at 30 degrees Celsius and reagent to hard at 5 degrees Celsius. Advantages of natural rubber is it is moisture repellent. It possesses good electrical properties. Disadvantages of natural rubber is low resistance to petroleum oil. Sunlight exposure is not possible. Can't be used for high voltage insulation. Next class of rubber is hard rubber. It has good electrical and mechanical properties. Application of hard rubber. It used for battery container, panel boards, bushings, ebonites, tubes, etc. Our next class of rubber is synthetic rubber. It is similar to natural rubber. It is obtained from thermoplastic vinyl high polymer. Example, silicon rubber, nitrite rubber, neoprene rubber, etc. Here we complete our insulation material. Thank you.